If you are also stuck on the login or loading screen of your Warzone mobile application or game, how can you simply solve this issue and fix this and just enjoy your game seamlessly in your mobile phone? Firstly, we just need to understand that why these type of error usually occurs while playing Warzone mobile on my phone here. Firstly, I will simply check that if I have enough space in my mobile phone to run a game seamlessly or uh, smoothly. So for this, we will simply go on the file manager. I will tell you three steps for this. The first one is to simply check your storage of your phone. Like you can see that my device storage is now it's quite good for me. I can run the game. I'm not facing this error right now, but I'm telling you all the genuine step by which you can simply solve this. The first one was how check your space that you have enough space, and then second one is you simply have to restart the application. Like if your Warzone mobile application, just suppose that this application as your Warzone mobile game app. What you will do is you simply have to tap it for 3 or 4 seconds if you're using on a Android phone just like me. Click on the app information, and in app information you will see that there is a lot of option in your game. You will simply click on the storage option here, like data usage, storage usage. In storage, you simply have to clear all the cache, all the data for this, and your game will be restarted. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos and reviews like this.